Guys, please hit the comment section and guess the what do you call them, specs. Please hit the comment section and guess the specs for this new baby before I unleash them, but I'm about to just now. So please take a second, hit the comment section, guess. You never know, you might have it right, and I'll give you I promise I'll give you a shout out if you get it right. Or if you do not want a shout out, that works too, I guess. Yeah, point is, please hit the comment section and guess the specs of this new baby. Welcome to Pick on a Dime with Sha. House update edition. Okay, I'm all over the place. It's because I'm so uncomfortable. I want to hide this. I don't want you guys to see it, but I want you to see it. But like you see, I think you can already guess from the thumbnail what we are updating today. Before I go any further, welcome to Pick on a Dime with Sha. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have been watching my videos. Hadi, I'm overwhelmed. I'm like, you know, like I am. Thank you guys so much for watching. For all my subscribers, you guys know how much I love you. You know there's nothing but love here, right? Okay, let me put the enemies aside. Nothing but love here. You know we are all about love. We are all about good vibes, encouragement, and energy, right? So thank you so much for always being here. Thank you for always hyping me up and for watching my videos. For all the new subscribers, welcome. Please feel at home. Please hit the subscription button if you haven't. Remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share. That is what we do here. We love and we encourage, you know. Aki, I'm uncomfortable. Yeah, so we trust the process, right? Like we do not rush into anything. I mean, it's a new country, it's a whole new experience. You don't rush into anything. Pole pole, you know, pole pole, God's speed, God's pace. And we always believe, I always believe if you have to wait longer for it, it means it's going to be better, right? Yeah, so here it is. This is today's house update. This is today's live update, guys. I am so excited for this. It has been, how many? It has been, I think, 2 weeks without it. But it has felt like, I don't know. I cannot even. So I am very excited to unbox this with you guys. What can I tell you about it? I got it from Costco. Wait, Cusco is the cartoon, right? Yeah, okay. Cusco is the cartoon. How did I confuse Costco and Cusco? I should watch Cusco. Have you watched Cusco? Ebu comment below. Ebu let me know. Okay, I have missed Cusco and now I can't stop thinking about it. Anywho, got this from Costco. I'm going to put the price right here. And I had to get it this week because it was on sale. Guys, Mimi and sales. It was on sale for less $200 of what it should be going. Yeah, less by $200. So I had to get it this week because the sale ends tomorrow. Yeah, so guys, without further ado, let us unbox. Welcome to today's update. Welcome to today's unboxing. Let's do this. Yeah, that's why I had the scissors. I was not about to cut off my hair. I still love my hair. Haijafika hapo bado. I will let you know when it's time to cut it off. But for now, this one is just for cutting this one. This is like the ribbons. You know, like the ribbons for a new place, a new building, a new business, organization. That was so good. And then this other one. I am so happy. So guys, as you can see, here's the brand. I remember my father used to trust this brand so much when I was growing up. That is one of the reasons I still trust it so much, because when it is one of the good brands, you grow up knowing it is a good brand. It's not easy to just, not follow it anymore, right? Yeah, so this is the brand. You will see the other specs later as we unbox this beauty. I think you can already guess the specs now that my hands go this far, right? Yeah, so guys, please stay tuned. Let us unbox this darling. Yeah, let's get to it. Oh, so there's this important technician, blah blah blah. So we are going to remove that very carefully. See, something about something. Technical information enclosed. Yeah, so we're going to keep that very carefully and then get to it. And guys, here we go. The joy and happiness of doing this. Guys, after the grueling but the hard difficult work of removing the TV from here, next thing we need is this. It's called a surge arrest. Typically in Kenya we'd be looking for an extension. Now when we went buying this, we were looking for an extension, but apparently instead of an extension, this is what they offered us. Apparently these are the extensions they use here. So I don't know, like I said, we are learning as we go. Maybe the person didn't understand what we wanted, but like we said, we're learning as we go. So let's unbox this one. And hope it is something like an extension, right? So it is called a surge arrest. It looks, or is supposed to look like this. You see? Yeah, so let's unbox it. Instructions as usual, but this is how it looks like. Well, at least this is long. Guys, this is what it is. Yeah, I guess that will do because it has an on and an off, and this extends like an extension. It looks too complex. Yeah, at least it is long and it has somewhere to put the other one and this one, so I guess it is technically already an extension, right? So you have these ones you remove. Yeah, see, I already know that. You remove these ones, they are to protect. Then there's this one. So let's go and plug in the new TV. Ah! I'm so excited. Let's go plug in. Woo! Wait, let me show you something I'm sure you will know. Ah, here it is. Oh no. News at 6. News Toronto. Global news even. Guys, hapa ni kama tumeomba. Oh, we are not advertising anything, by the way. It just happens to be there. Look guys, I mean, oh, we are at 1.9 thousand views. Oh my god. And this one is already at 500 views in 4 days. So guys, that is the unboxing. So there's an option here for Google Assistant, where apparently you just talk into it and it does what you want. Guys, anyway, thank you for unboxing this beauty with me. Please remember to click on Pick on a Dime with Sha. Here she is. Pick on a Dime with Sha and watch all these other videos plus the ones I'm about to upload. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, remember to share, and remember to comment. Please say something, tell me something. If I did something wrong in all this, let me know. We are all about teaching each other, we are all about learning and celebrating the great wins. This is a great win. This is not a small win, guys. This is a big one. This is a big, I am so happy. Okay, another one to you, God. Thank you. Thank God. So Till next time, guys, this is Pick on a Dime with Sha. Nothing but love. Mwah, mwah, mwah. The agreement had been that we would get a telly of our choice once we both had good jobs, right? So this was more or less, what do I say, a celebration gift, or what can I call it? Yeah, it was more or less a celebration gift for getting... Hi guys! Hi guys! Welcome to Pick on a Dime with Sha. Okay, I feel like I am so low, like mnaniangalia like from a let me try come closer, come to, you know, a better level. How are you guys? Welcome to Pick on a Dime with Sha. Just hold up.